Hi, and welcome to Adells. Today, we're keeping things as comfortable as possible, showing you how to use a manual pump while relaxing in bed. If you enjoy calm, real-life guidance, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you can join me for more peaceful sessions. You don't need to be sitting at a desk or in a special chair. Your bed can be the perfect spot, especially if you want to feel warm, supported, and unrushed. Let's make this a gentle moment just for you. First, gather everything you'll need: the pump, a clean container, and maybe a soft pillow for extra support. Having everything within reach will help you stay settled without having to get up midway. Sit up against the headboard or a stack of pillows so your back feels supported. Bend your knees slightly or stretch your legs out under a blanket, whichever feels best for your body right now. Hold the pump gently and start with a slow, steady rhythm. Your hands shouldn't feel strained. Let the pace be natural, not rushed. Pay attention to your breathing, letting each inhale and exhale bring you more ease. Sometimes it helps to keep the room dim or use soft lighting. You might want to play gentle background music or enjoy the quiet, whatever helps you feel at peace in the moment. If your hand needs a break, simply pause. Shake out your fingers, stretch your wrist, and maybe switch sides if that feels more comfortable. This time is yours, so there's no need to hurry. When you're done, carefully store your milk, clean your pump parts, and take a moment to lie back and just breathe. Let yourself feel proud. You created this calm space for both comfort and care. Thank you for spending these minutes with me here on Adells. If this video helped you feel more relaxed, please like and subscribe.